Hey guys, so this is the focus on demand breath. So all that matters in this one is we want to be really emphasizing more of the inhale than the exhale. So for this breath, it's a 4-7-4, meaning we're going to inhale on a 4, we're going to hold on a 7, we're going to exhale on a 4. When you inhale, try to breathe into your low tummy. You can put your hand on your tummy and really focus the attention on inhaling into your low part of your tummy. We'll begin. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 2 more rounds. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round, remember, inhale into your tummy, low tummy. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale nice and slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy. So just remember, as a recap, to extinguish stress response, to relax, we're emphasizing more of the exhale, so we're exhaling twice as long as we're inhaling. And for the focus, we're emphasizing more of the inhale. So we're inhaling on the 4, holding for 7, exhaling on a 4. Enjoy the breath patterns, guys. Take care.